Hey guys, and welcome to this video on solving linear inequalities in two variables. So let's make it happen. Alright, remember earlier when we discussed how to solve inequalities that involved just one variable. For example, negative 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 13, or negative 3x minus 5 is less than negative 23. So why don't you take a second to pause the video. Please solve each of these inequalities and graph them on the number lines below. Of course, there are going to be infinitely many ordered pairs that we can come up with that will make that inequality true. And so it wouldn't make sense for us to list all of them. The best way to capture all of them will be to create a graph. Now, unlike before, when our inequalities had only one variable, and we could graph the solutions on a one-dimensional number line, now our inequalities are going to have two variables, so we will need to graph them on a two-dimensional plane. Alright, so there's our boundary line, and I really strongly suggest labeling your boundary line when you draw it. Now, note that since our equation is y is greater than or equal to negative 3 plus 3/4 x, the ordered pairs on this boundary line are included in our solution set, because for each of those ordered pairs, the y value is exactly equal to negative 3 plus 3/4 x. And so that's why we draw a solid boundary line, to show that these ordered pairs are part of the solution set. This is the exact same thing as drawing in a filled-in circle before, when we had x is less than or equal to 8.